co-learners, welcome back to our session. I'm gonna teach you how to use Canva or how to create an account at Canva. Well, Canva is a website or a platform where you can create your designs, your layout, or creative presentation. So, first thing you have to do is to go to this website, canva.com, and click enter. There. So for you to create an account, click sign up, or since you are a student, if you are looking for a tool where you can use this Canva for your education, click this plan and then look for education. There. And register now for free. There you can see options: sign up with Clever, sign up with Google, sign up with Microsoft, or sign up with email. There. So, since you are new in this website, just click sign up with email. Then try to input your name as well as your email. There, and click get started. It's free. Then it will appear a certain window saying, okay, we sent you a code, so you have to go to your email and check the code. So there, as you can see your email, as you check your email, the code is there. Just input this one at Canva and click done. There. Then you can try to create your own design, whether a poster, an infographic, a logo, or a presentation. So try to create or select a presentation. Like for example, this one, poster. Then you can see different templates here. Then try to select, like for example, this one, the coronavirus poster. There you can edit the following details. There. So you can edit this one, or you can add other elements that you wanted to change on this template so that it will be more appearing or pleasing to your preference. If you are a designer or a layout artist, you can manipulate this one. All right. So like for example, you're done. Then you're about to download. So just click this button. Click download and then select the file type. So if you wanted to save this as PNG or JPEG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4 video, and GI. Now as you can see, you have a lot of options there. Now, let's take a look on this one, the SVG, or the Sharp Vector Graphics. As you can see, there is somehow a smaller corona here. So this indicates that you are using or maximizing all of the tools here in the Canva for free. So you are somewhat using a pro version, but since you have chose the education plan, the Canva offered you to avail some of its features for free. So this is how it works. All right. So, like for example, you chose the PNG and click download. Just wait for you to have your output being downloaded, and then just click this continue editing or go to your homepage if you want to edit another layout. All right, so that's how Canva works. You just explore this one, and you can create your own style according to your preference. Okay, I hope you learned something from this short video tutorial. I'll see you again, co-learners, and God bless you.